The second big problem is ecological. For decades, undersized culverts have pinched the Crystal River, creating barriers to the passage of wildlife and fish and human paddlers that use this picturesque stream corridor. Here's Brett Fessel, a restoration specialist with the Grand Traverse Band of Ottawa and Chippewa Indians.
Fish, mink, wildlife, turtles, all a spectrum of species use these corridors, these river corridors, as prime highways or pathways themselves to move through the landscape. Just like we need roads to move across the landscape, they also need those corridors. And by filling in that road prism and pushing the river through a series of pipes, not only are you excluding the species that might crawl along the bank or on that floodplain going across the landscape, like mink and turtles, but then fish in the stream, their challenge is, because it's shoved through, this big area is shoved through a small pipe, it's coming out the other end at a very high velocity. And most fish species in the Great Lakes are not the strongest swimmers, and especially juvenile fish